you need to complete this entire PAT as an individual. All the presentation requirements here must be your own work. Secondly, the PAT must be of appropriate higher order complexity for a grade 12 learner. So it cannot look like your younger sister or brother did this. This needs to be of a high quality. And then lastly, this document also provides a checklist that is at the very end of this document. And this checklist will be talked about in a lot of detail in the coming videos. So those things just important for you to take note of. Let's now, together with some pictures that helps you gain an understanding of this PAT, look at the actual scenario. So first of all, this page is written in a paragraph form, and of course it's for you to gain some understanding. But take a pen, like I'm going to do now, because as I'm going to read, I'm going to be highlighting those important factors that's actually in the end going to be your specifications, your constraints, etc. So let's start. So you're in a small town and you're going to have to design a bed and breakfast facility. This town is booming. There's an ever-growing demand by business people, and you're in a suburb that's got a modern design. So all new houses in this area needs to fit this modern design style.